go. See that plaque there? This used to be where Spitalfields Market used to be, a vegetable market. It was there for years and years, for I'll say about 200 years or more. Yeah, before they moved it down to another section of East London, and then they built a structure here. Yeah. Which has not been turned into a fashion, den for like unknown artists or unknown designers. So you see all these places here. These are designers that you probably have never heard of. So yeah, that's history. Actually, let me cross. Yeah, there you go, see what I mean? It's all full of designers and different types of clothes. Very lovely, unique. That is the inside. It's locked now, closed, but just gives you an idea. You come here during the daytime, 7 days. It's open. Different names from all over the world. Perfumes, you can mix your own perfumes. Yeah, it's a fun place to be. East London has its own distinctive vibe, It's incredible. All the way that way.
Wait.
See, that's right. I want to show you when the market was built or rebuilt. Look. See that? 1893. That's it. Well, it's not longer the market. The market is a bit moved, so they've turned it into like shops. So you come here, you'll find most of your favorite designers here inside. Half of it is apartment blocks and residential blocks. Yeah, and so on and so forth. So that's that. All Saints still around. I'm surprised. The group is long been dead, but their clothing line is still going. Good on them. It's All Saints. Do